Haven't vlogged with this one in the with that light yet. It actually doesn't look too awful bad. Of course, out in the boonies, we did not even scratch the surface of the stuff I needed to get done today. I really needed to get it done, but lights off. Should be able to pass my emissions now without any trouble. Test the colors. The red's not too awful bad on this one. Not real terribly bright, but the green's not bad either. But the blue sucks. Huh? Not bad either. Wow. Looks like this camera's a little better at handling the light. Turn it down just a little bit. Yeah, see, this one doesn't ripple like the 4K does. I'm going to be doing any night driving videos, I might have to use the old 1080p camera and let the 4K sit at home. But I didn't get the spark plug wires changed, didn't get the oil changed, didn't get the brakes changed. What the heck was that? I didn't get my half-inch breaker bar. I hope that wasn't it that was stuck to the back of the truck that just fell off. Got a little more zip, but kind of concerned with what that noise was. Sounded like something just popped inside the exhaust. I hope something just popped inside the exhaust, because if something went flat on this truck, we're in trouble. Back where it happened and see if I can see anything in the road. See anything? Oh, duh. My doggone old parts. That was intelligent. Not. Forgot all, just that quick, I forgot all about the old catalytic converter being in the box that the new one came in on the roof of my truck, because it doesn't fit in here. So, we'll drive cycle this thing now like Michael said. And see if that light comes back on. If not, we'll update the insurance on it and go get tags. And yeah, we have to have insurance now to get tags, so for the first time in 8 years I'll be legal again. Anyway, so the brakes didn't get done. The spark plug wires didn't get done.
Hey, come here. Like Daddy.
Her alternator didn't get done. What else? Oh, and the oil didn't get changed. Anyway, thanks for watching.